Good morning. Today we will discuss about the angles with related trigonometric ratios. Say sin 30, sin 45, then sin 60. How we are getting the values? I will explain you today. So take a equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle, three sides equal and each angle is 60 degree. So ABC is a equilateral triangle. Three sides are equal and each angle is 60 degree because angles from three angles are equal and sum of three angles is 180 degree. So each angle will be 60 degree. Now draw a perpendicular line from A to BC. So that is AD. So AD is perpendicular to BC. Now that will be divided into two equal halves. So this is BD is equal to CD. BD is equal to CD. So take each side is say A unit. Then this is A by 2 and this is A by 2. Now according to Pythagoras theorem, you will find AD is equal to square root of, according to Pythagoras theorem, this is the perpendicular height and this is the base and this is the hypotenuse. So AD in this triangle say AD is equal to AC square minus CD square, square root of AC square minus CD square. So that is AC square. So A square minus A by 2 square. So that is equal to A square minus A square by 4. That is equal to 4A square minus A square by 4. So that is 3A square. 3A square by 4. Square root of this 3A square by 4, that will give you root 3 by 2A. So AD is equal to root 3 by 2A. So now over this height we got. Now you will see sin 60 degree. This is a triangle ADC. In triangle ADC, this is sin 60 degree is equal to sin C, that is sin 60 degree is equal to AD by AC. AD opposite side by hypotenuse. That is AD is root 3 by 2A by A cancel. So root 3 by 2. So sin 60 is equal to root 3 by 2. So similarly, this is two congruent angles. So each angle, this will be 30 degree and this will be also 30 degree. So sin this 30 degree is equal to sin 30 degree is equal to this CD by AC. CD by AC. So CD is A by 2, that is half A by A. So A cancel, that is half. So sin 30 degree is equal to half. Similarly, you can make cos 60 degree. So cos 60 degree is equal to this CD by AC. So CD by AC. So that is half A by A, that is half. So cos 60 degree is half. Similarly, so cos 30 degree is equal to cos 30 degree is equal to AD by AC. AD by AC, that is root 3 by 2 A by A gives you root 3 by 2. So sin 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos 60 is half, then sin 30 is half. So you got the 30 degree value, then again tan 30 degree you can say. Tan 30 degree. tan 30 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side or corresponding side. So CD by AB, CD by AD. So CD by AD means CD is half A by root 3 by 2A. So that is 1 by root 3. So similarly, cot tan 60 degree equal to tan 60 degree. Tan 60 degree is equal to tan 60 degree means AD by AC. AD by AC is equal to AD, that is root 3 by 2A, root 3 by 2A by half A. So that is root 3. So tan 60 is equal to root 3. So you got this one, 30 degree and 60 degree relations you got. Now we will get tan 45 degree. Sin 45 degree, cos 45 degree will derive. So in isosceles right angle triangle, so ABC AB is equal to BC and angle B 90 degree. AB is equal to AC, BC and angle B is equal to 90 degree. It is right angle isosceles triangle. So this will be 90 degree means these two angles are equal. So this will be 45 degree and this will be 45 degree. So now in this case, take AB is equal to BC is equal to say AB is equal to BC is equal to say A you will take. So this is A and this is A unit. So AC will be in a right angle triangle, hypotenuse is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. So AC is equal to square root of AB square plus BC square. So that is A square plus A square. So 2A square, that is square root of 2A square, that is A root 2 square root of 2A square. So A root 2. So that is your A root 2. Now you see sin 45 degree, sin C or sin 45 degree. So sin 45 degree is equal to AB by AC, AB by AC. So that is AB by AC means that is A by A root 2. So that is 1 by root 2. That is 1 by root 2. So similarly cos C is equal to cos 45 degree is equal to BC by AC. So BC by AC. So that is A by A root 2, that is 1 by root 2. So similarly tan C means tan 45 degree. So tan 45 degree is equal to AB by BC, AB by BC. So that is A by A, that is 1. So sin 45 1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, tan 45 1. So these are the relationship in a triangle. How to derive tan 30 degree, tan 45 degree, tan 60 degree, tan 30 degree. So we have discussed about that and we have do the table of different angles. So now you got, see, a table you will take. Zero, 30, 45, 60, 90. So sin, this is 0 degree, this is 30 degree, this is 45 degree, this is 60 degree, this is 90 degree. So sin 0, 0, sin 30, 1 by 2, sin 45, 1 by root 2, Sin 60 root 3 by 2. Sin 91. So cos just see sin 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta. So sin 30 is equal to cos 60 1 by 2. Sin 60 is equal to cos 30, that is root 3 by 2. This sin 45 is equal to cos 45 1 by root 2. This is 1, this is 0. Now 10. So 0 by 1, 0, 1 by 2 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 3. Then 1 by 2, 1, root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, that is root 3, and this is infinity. So just you will reverse cosec, you will 1 by sin, sec 1 by cos, cot 1 by 10. You can get the values. So easy to remember these things. 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, and 4 by 4. So see 0 by 4, 0, 1 by 4, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 4, that is root 3 by 2, this 4 by 4, that is 1. So you can remember the values like this. Thank you.